Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone, welcome back to the first video of Paint with me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to paint a tree with acrylic paint and cotton buds. It is a very easy tutorial, so don't forget to try it out. So let's get started. Things you need is 1 sketchbook paper, 2 flat paint brushes, 5 to 6 cotton buds tied up in a rubber band, masking tape, a paint palette, and some colorful acrylic colors. I have linked the names of the colors in the description box below so you can check them out. So first I'm going to paint the top of the sky with dark blue and then going to add some light blue color to create a beautiful sky blue gradient effect. I am painting the tree with dark brown color and adding some more shades of lighter brown to make the tree look real. Take the cotton buds and dip it into dark green color and tap the paper gently with the cotton buds, creating this effect, and continue doing like this with the other shades of green. After painting the tree, add some yellow color to make the tree look real and blend it with the other colors of green. Now let the paint dry completely. So this is the final look of the painting. Hope you all enjoyed watching. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment down below. We'll see you soon on another video. Bye everyone.